Within the highly coveted community of Live Oak at the Hammocks in Miami, Florida, you'll discover this sophisticated, remodeled, lakefront home featuring a 2-car garage and driveway. It's located just off the cul-de-sac and has a charming front alcove. Wow, nothing makes you smile like a great first impression, along with the instant gratification of a home that is move-in ready. 24 by 24-inch porcelain floors flow throughout the living spaces, offering lovely continuity in a modern neutral palette, while smooth, soaring ceilings create an abundant sense of space. Enjoy a season premiere or a championship game in the family room while serving up your favorite recipe in the adjoining island kitchen, complete with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and top-grade appliances from GE and Frigidaire. Live, dine, and entertain in style. The home features 1,721 adjusted square feet, including 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an indoor laundry area. The spacious master bedroom has laminate floors, access to the patio, his and her closets, and an adjoining full bathroom. The Zen-inspired patio area overlooks the serene lake and is gated with mature trees and lots of privacy. The community amenities include a gym, tennis courts, 3 pools, roving patrol, and walking trails amidst a park-like setting. Come live your dream life now. For additional information, please contact Bridget Prio.